This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Boyd. Professional photos coming soon. Prepare to be impressed with this one-of-a-kind floor plan in the parade of homes winning community, Oakland Park. Very few homes in the neighborhood have this layout, which makes it unique. This parkside home, Seaside Model, features 5 bedrooms, master downstairs, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage, wood floors, gourmet kitchen, shutters, a loft, outdoor kitchen with granite counter, a spacious screened-in patio, which is perfect for entertaining or watching sports, and so much more. The 5th bedroom and bonus area is located over the garage and includes a full bath, kitchen, and washer/dryer hookup, which would serve well as a mother-in-law suite, office, theater room, or music room. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances including a gas cooktop, vented hood, built-in oven and microwave, along with granite counters, light cabinets, and subway tile backsplash. There's ample room to eat at the island or the dining area overlooking the park. Additional space is towards the front of the home facing the park, which is often used as an office. This area includes custom built-in shelving. Wood floors are throughout the main part of the home and stairs, excluding the master bedroom. Upstairs consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 ensuite, and a loft. The master suite includes dual sinks, granite counters, garden tub, shower, a walk-in closet, and access to the laundry room. The patio area is the place to be. This recently built addition has been thoroughly enjoyed by the owners. Grill out steaks on the outdoor grill and let the good times roll. The wrap-around front porch provides stunning sunset views overlooking the park. Location at its best, just 1 block away from the resort-style community pool and clubhouse along with the lakefront walking trail. Parks and water views surround this part of the neighborhood, giving you ample areas to enjoy. Dare to dream with this unique property in one of the most sought-after communities in Winter Garden. Measurements are approximate, buyers please verify. Previously voted #1 community to live in by Orlando Style magazine. Step outside and access the 22-mile-long West Orange Trail for outdoor exercising or cruise on your golf cart into infamous downtown historic Winter Garden. The community is golf cart approved and features family events, parks, playgrounds, 2 pools, clubhouse, and spectacular sunset views. Located near interstate travel, theme parks, golf, shops, and restaurants. This parkside beauty is ready to be loved by its new owner. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley.